And Oman ambassador to Kenya, Saleh Suleiman Al-Hadi, has hailed the long ties Kenya has had with the Sultanate, saying that his nation is keen on cementing such ties. Meanwhile, residents of Kitengela town are lamenting the never-ending problem of water shortage in the township, accusing both the county and national governments of failing to address the crisis, which they claim has persisted for years now. These and more stories in our county news roundup.
Oman ambassador to Kenya, Saleh Suleiman Al-Hadi, who spoke during the commemoration of his country's 50th anniversary, said Kenya and Oman have a unique bond that dates back to hundreds of years when the Sultan of Oman ruled the Kenyan coast and Zanzibar. He said his country is leveraging on the historic ties to showcase the unique culture of Oman, tourism and flourishing economy. Meanwhile, residents of Kitengela Township are lamenting what they term as scarcity of fresh water in the area. The locals, who claim to buy a 20-liter jerrycan of salty water at 20 shillings and 50 shillings for the same jerrycan of fresh water, now want both levels of government to address their plight.
Shida tuko nayo kubwa ya maji. Hatuwezi kufika hiyo standard ambayo watu watakuwa na afford kununua maji kwa 50 shillings. Na hasa katika area hii hata borehole ambayo tuko nazo hazitoshereshi population ambayo tuko nayo.
Elsewhere, Nyandarua County government is raising concerns over increased cases of malnutrition in the region. Nyandarua County Health Executive Committee member Dr. John Mungai says despite the county having enough food, children have stunted growth due to lack of proper diet. The concerns coming as experts worry about the increased cases of cancer and other non-communicable diseases in the county.
What we have noted in Nyandarua is that we have stunted children. Our children are not growing to the right height. Why? Because as much as they are getting enough amount of food, the quality, the nutrients are not in the right quantities.
And the global cleft charity Smile Train has unveiled upgraded surgical facilities at the Nyeri County Referral Hospital in efforts to enhance the safety and quality of pediatric surgeries in the county. Smile Train Program Director in East Africa, Jane Ngige Muturi, noted children born with cleft lip and palate require surgery, and their recovery spaces need to give a feeling of comfort and safety.
Children with cleft have problem eating, they have problems speaking, they have problems breathing, they're prone to malnutrition. It's actually estimated that 1 in 10 die before they get to their first birthday because they're not able to feed properly, and because of that, they suffer from malnutrition and some of them succumb to it.
Elsewhere in Turkana, donkey keepers are calling for the closure of a slaughterhouse in the area. According to the pastoralists, the donkey species risked extinction if the slaughterhouse, which had been closed by the government, continues to operate illegally.
Kulingana na ile ripoti ya KALRO ya mwaka wa mwezi wa 6 mwaka wa 2019, ilisemekana ya kuwa punde zinachinjwa zilikuwa zinachinjwa mara 4 kuliko vile zinazaana. Hii ni kumaanisha kuwa kufika miaka fulani, especially walisema 2023, hakutakuwa na punda tena.
Meanwhile, over 400 farmers from Kangema constituency, Murang'a County, are accusing Githambo Tea Factory of frustrating their efforts to seek more returns from another tea factory. The farmers are seeking to join Gacharage Tea Factory, which they say will offer them better services.
Kuna msaada huwa unakuja unaelekea wakulima, haifiki kwetu. Hatujui inaenda wapi. Tukitaka services nzuri hatusipati.
Hapo mwezi wa 8 tarehe 27 tuliibwa majani mingi sana, senta biri ya Gekegie na Doine B. Hiyo chai ikapelekwa Githambo, lakini kufuatilia hiyo manager alisema hakuna kilo mingi ziliingia kwa Githambo.
Finally, residents of Gitango village, Kabete constituency in Kiambu County are living in fear of a rising insecurity in the area. In the latest incident, 8 cattle and 40 chicken were stolen and slaughtered in a nearby bush.
Kuna watu wanakuja wanachukua ng'ombe zetu, wanaenda kuchinja, zingine wanabeba kwa magari usiku, zingine wanachinjia huko kwa kichaka.
Wizi tu ni patoro. Chifu huku alikataa tu sisi tujiendee patoro. Sasa vile kama wakati zamani tulikuwa tunaenda patoro kwa group.
Wycliffe Okech, Channel 1 News.